بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
الرحمن علم القرآن خلق الإنسان علمه البيان الشمس والقمر بحسبان والنجم والشجر يسجدان والسماء رفعها ووضع الميزان ألا تطغوا في الميزان وأقيموا الوزن بالقسط ولا تخسروا الميزان والأرض وضعها للأنام فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام والحب ذو العصف والريحان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان خلق الإنسان.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Musa Hamid. I'm here with Brother Mikhail Abdul Mateen at the construction site of the Gwynn Oak Masjid. Assalamu alaikum, Brother Mateen.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Just want to get your thoughts on the construction of the Gwynn Oak Masjid and you being a Muslim living in the community. What are your thoughts?
Well, alhamdulillah. First of all, I'm very excited about the building of the new masjid, the historical masjid here in Baltimore, first one from the ground up, and just honored that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allowed me and my family to be part of this historic event. And we're very grateful that we're going to, inshallah, be able to bring Islam to this neighborhood. Our goals are to have a place where we can meet, but also a place where we can give da'wah to the community. And by the grace of Allah, hopefully that maybe 10, 15, 20 years from now, this will be the foundation and the start of a vibrant Islamic community.
Brother Mateen, are you originally from Baltimore?
No, I'm originally from Denver, Colorado. I used to be a student in Mecca, Mukarramah, and I met some of the people from Baltimore who told me about the goals of building a Islamic community here in Baltimore. Came and visited, and was very impressed with the people that I met. Got a good bond with some brothers here, and then now wanted to be part of this historical event.
Alhamdulillah. Well, may Allah continue to bless the Gwynn Oak Islamic community and building the masjid. And we need your support. Please send donations. You can go online at gwynoakmasjid.org and give generously to the building of the Gwynn Oak Masjid. Brother Mateen, assalamu alaikum. Thank you so very much for this brief interview.